Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show how to make pork chops, which are grilled pork chops. It just is very delicious and it just melts in your mouth. So this is my way of cooking. I usually make this at home and everyone enjoys this. So let's get started. In order to make pork chops, I have taken 4 of each, and now in order to marinate them, I will show the marination. So let's get started in making the marination part. So for the marination, 4 Kashmiri red chillies, 4 bedgi chillies, 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick, 10 of cloves, 1.5 inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn black, 1 pot garlic peeled, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. So I have taken toddy vinegar. Now by adding sufficient amount of water, we need a thick paste. Also, it should be coarsely ground, not fine paste. So let's blend these ingredients. Now in a pan add 1 tablespoon of masala, 1 cup of water. Mix this well. Add pork chop. And in between you have to mix it as well when you keep it on the flame. So this is how it should be. Add salt is to taste. So now what you have to do is you have to keep this on a slow flame. Let this simmer till the water dries up. In between you have to mix it up so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom, or even you have to keep turning it upside down. I check out this water already dried up. Now I'm going to add the remaining masala. Apply it. Guys, once you apply the remaining masala, just leave this on the side for at least 20 minutes before we start to fry them. Now when the pan is hot, not add any oil, just give them color. They are already cooked. Check this out, this bone also falling apart. These are all soft now. You just have to give them color. So once it has color, just turn them. Look how lovely they look. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Pork chops are ready to be served.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.